Well guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while. As you can tell, got a little bit of a tan, nearly at the end of the summer. So we're going to make our way up to Easedale Tarn today in the Lake District, just part of Grassmere. So I'll bring you back along the way. So, out and about. Well guys, just a bit of a short walk now, just up along the road, and then we'll soon hit a bit of a track that you follow to Easedale Tarn. So we're going to make our way up there today. I've got a nice little sandwich for later on. Guess what flavour and guess what's in it? I bet you can. Easy. That's what I always have. So we're going to make our way up to Easedale Tarn, and we'll see when we get up there, we'll see if there's any crags we can get on the top of. I've been up here once before, but never to the Tarn, so a new one for me. So I'll bring you back just now. It's absolutely glorious, about 25 degrees. Bit too hot for walking, but yeah, it's alright for us. So I'll bring you back when we get a bit further up. Right guys, just ahead there, you can see a nice waterfall. That's where we're heading. And we're going to follow that waterfall up and then round into the valley to Easedale Tarn. What an absolutely glorious day. And if I swing you around, that's how you get to Helm Crag, up the side of that mountain, and then across the top. You should be able to see it when we get further up. Blackberries are out in full swing, guys. I'm going to treat myself. Oh yes. Beautiful. Right guys, it's absolutely fantastic over here. Weather's great. There's a few people about, so they keep looking as though I've got two heads, because I'm taught myself, but never mind. We know what's for. So this path, quite an easy path, quite an easy walk I would say. It's about 2.5 miles up to the Tarn, and then we'll see where we end up. Like I say, I'm in no hurry. I've got a full day's ticket on the car, so we'll just see where we end up. So yeah, great little walk, dead picturesque. I'll bring you back just now. Anyway guys, I just want to thank you really for sticking with the channel. I know I haven't been on it for quite a while. I've just been putting some short videos on, but I'm back now, so hopefully we'll get out a bit more often, and we'll get out to different places. But again, thanks very much for subscribing, and thanks for all my subscribers for sticking with us, and other YouTubers who's been very helpful along the way, I would say. So Rick T Adventure, Blot Outdoors, Camping with Josh, just to name a few. So thanks very much for giving us a bit of encouragement and a few tips. But if you haven't subscribed already, get yourself on, click that button, and we'll go out for some nice out and about journeys. See you in a bit. Just over a mile I think now to go guys, and we'll be at the Tarn. As you can see in the distance there, there's a nice little waterfall. I think we do pass that, so we'll have a good look when we get there. Well guys, it's starting to get a bit warm. I've got the factor 30 on to stop my baldy head from burning. So you've got to get protected in this sort of weather. But I've got a little fleece in my bag just in case it gets a bit nippy on the top. Very much doubt it, like. Absolutely fantastic. Not a cloud in the sky, as you can see. Whew, red hot, guys. Sweating, as you can see, but there's no change there because I'm always bloody sweating. Anyway, makes a change from it being windy or cloudy. So, just past the waterfall. So just round this corner, we should be near the Tarn, I would think. I'm going to flip you around and have a look at this backdrop. It's getting busy now, like. Cracking. Right guys, there's absolutely loads of spots if you want to go for a dip in the waterfall. Lots of people around taking advantage of it. I'll give you a quick look. Well guys, still quite a distance yet, mind. Said it was only a mile. I tell you what, that's a long mile, that. It's absolutely boiling. When I get to the top of here, I'm definitely dipping my trotters in that water. I tell you what, I'm sweating more than somebody waiting for one number on the bingo. Absolutely lathered. Got the old factor 30 on to protect the baldy napper. Right, come on, let's get this bloody Tarn. Right guys, in the distance there, just the top, I'm going to zoom you in. You can see Helm Crag and the Lion and the Lamb. And in the background there, you've got Fairfield and Helvellyn. Beautiful. As you can see guys, plenty of trotter cooling off stations if you need it. I think I'll wait till I get the top. Them views, man. Well, that little fella's getting me. Right on top of the crag, look. Sitting pretty. Minding his own business. Right guys, nice little breeze up here. Get rid of some of that heat. And the Tarn is just around this corner. So I think it's a bit of a circular walk round the Tarn. And I've got to see if I can get up on one of the crags as well, so we'll see what I take when we'll get there. Bring you back in a minute. What an absolutely cracking Tarn. We're going to follow the path all the way around and see if we can get the other side, where it's a bit more secluded. I'll get my feet in, I think. Lovely. Nice cool off. Whew. God, it's freezing, like, never mind. It's beautiful. Oh, this is the life. Look at that for a backdrop, eh? Fantastic. Can't beat it. Right guys, we're going to get round to the other side there. and try and get on that little beach where nobody else is. Well guys, just making our way around. I'm not sure if there's a path up there. We might even get on the top of there yet, I'm not sure. But the back of there, that's the Langdales. The Langdale Pikes. But you can hear behind us, there's quite a lot of people here today because the sun's brought everybody out. But it's absolutely stunning. Right guys, I've changed my mind because it is a bit busy around that tarn. So we're going to make our way up that little crevasse there behind us. We're going to try and get on the top because I've heard there's another tarn called Codale Tarn at the top of there. It might not be as busy. So we'll have a look. Helicopter. I'm just going to follow that path up, guys, all the way really to the top, and we'll see what's at the top, and then have a bit of lunch, I think, and then we'll come back down. Maybe have a swim, just depends. Tough walk this one, I tell you, especially in this heat. So I'm going to make my way at the top, not that far, I think, and I'll see if we can find somewhere have some lunch or dinner, wherever you come from, and then we'll head back down to the tarn, which is now right in the distance. What a day, man. Fantastic. What a view. Absolutely tremendous. We found it, guys. There's nobody else here. Just us. Absolutely mint. Well guys, we've reached it. I'm not even sure what it's called. Someone said Codale Tarn on the way up, but I'm not too sure. I will put the name on the screen a bit later on, but I'm going to see how deep it is. I think we're going for a swim, eh? Tremendous! Look at that view. Right, I'm getting out. Right guys, that was very refreshing. Nice little dip. Cooled off a bit. So I'm just going to make my way to a nice little spot and have some dinner. Or lunch, wherever you come from. That was spot on, that, like. Really good little wild swim. All to myself. Fantastic. Bit of cheese. Love a bit of cheese. Okay guys, I've just had my sandwich there, my cheese sarnie, the old traditional one. Yes, so all lit up now after my little dip there. So I've just been checking the map, and this is actually called Codale Tarn, not Codale, Codale. And as you can see, no one around. Nobody, just us. So you can go for a nice dip in peace. And it's just a little way up from Easedale Tarn. We're not actually on the top of the mountain yet, as you can see. But I think we'll give that one a miss. But it's absolutely stunning. So I just want to say thanks very much for joining us on this out and about. Up on Codale Tarn and Easedale Tarn from Grassmere. And thanks for all my subscribers. Again, thanks for everyone for tuning in. Please hit them likes and get them views shared, because we need to get this channel a bit busier, I think. So this is the start of more to come. So thanks very much. And I'll see you next time when we're out and about somewhere else. See you in a bit.